Understanding Sheepish Grin, a fun guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our fun and engaging English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase you might have heard or read, sheepish grin. Ever wondered what it means and how to use it in everyday conversation? Stay tuned, as we're about to explore this interesting expression together. A sheepish grin is an expression you use to describe a somewhat embarrassed or shy smile. Imagine someone has done something slightly awkward or wrong, and they smile in a way that shows they're a bit embarrassed about it. That's a sheepish grin. The word sheepish is key here. It comes from the behavior of sheep, which are often seen as timid or bashful creatures. Where did this phrase come from? The term sheepish has been used since the 15th century to describe someone who is embarrassed or shows a lack of confidence. Adding grin to it creates a vivid image of someone grinning, but in a modest or self-conscious manner. It's often used in casual conversations, books, and movies to describe a character's reaction in an awkward situation. Let's see some examples to understand it better. 1. After knocking over the vase, John gave a sheepish grin to his mother. 2. When she realized she'd forgotten the lyrics, the singer had a sheepish grin on her face. These examples show how sheepish grin can be used to describe a situation where someone is mildly embarrassed but still manages to smile. A great way to remember this phrase is to associate it with personal experiences. Think of a time when you felt a bit embarrassed but still smiled. That's your sheepish grin moment. Also, try using the phrase in your conversations or writing. Practical usage helps solidify learning. And there you have it, sheepish grin, demystified. We hope this video has been informative and fun. Remember, English is full of colorful idioms like this, and understanding them can really enrich your language skills. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.